Guys, I made a large purchase today. So I guess my mother's gonna open it for me. Yeah, y'all. So y'all see my mother already opened the box. So I didn't even get a chance to open it. But I got a new vlogging camera today. And can y'all guess which one it is? Y'all probably already guessed because every YouTuber has it. It is the Canon Gx7 Power Shot Mark II. Boom. Like, I'm just so freaking happy right now because, like, I wanted this camera forever. Like, forever. And I worked so freaking hard to purchase this camera. And, like, I don't know if you guys are like this, but it's like, for me, I don't know why it takes a lot for me to like spend a large amount of money on myself, you know what I'm saying? But like, I just want to say, like, guys, if you work hard and you deserve everything that you want, like, that's how I'm about to go about life. Like, if you work hard for your money and you work hard for the things that you want, you deserve it. So get it. Like, just do it. Just do it. So I had to really, like, just do it, and I did it, and I'm just so happy that I freaking finally did it. This is what I've been usually vlogging on, which is my phone. This is the iPhone 10, what is it? The iPhone XR. This is the iPhone XR, which is not a bad vlog. It's not bad at all, honestly. Like, this is a good camera to vlog on, especially if you're just now starting out, you just, you know, have your YouTube channel and things like that. I have no complaints. I mean, sometimes the lighting is like, honestly, it's very good for starting out. But I just felt like I've been on YouTube for like 3 years now, and I just wanted to up my, you know, up my quality, up my game. Like, I just wanted to come correct with it. So that's why I purchased the camera. But like I said, the iPhone is really not that bad to be vlogging on. I just wanted to show you guys, like, I kind of like a comparison. Like, if you guys wanted to, you know, save a coin and like just want to go the iPhone route instead of like buying a camera, you know. So I wanted to show you guys this quality right first. This is the iPhone quality. And now I'm about to cut my camera on in the box. And if you guys are wondering where I got it from Best Buy. I know a lot of people ordered theirs from Amazon, but honestly, I was reading a lot of comments, and some of the sellers, like, the camera was like cheaper, and then it came with like a bundle deal on Amazon. But some of the comments were saying, like, when they received their box, like, their box looked like it was open, the camera didn't look like it was brand new, you know, like, it didn't have like certain things like this on it, it didn't have like nothing on the screen and stuff. So it made me kind of like skeptical about buying it on Amazon. So I just decided from Best Buy, and plus I got like a really good warranty. I got a 3-year warranty that covers if you have any like breaks, spills, drops, cracks, anything like that. So I just felt like it was better for me to go with Best Buy than Amazon. So in the box, it came with the camera. It came like wrapped up in other stuff. And then, of course, it came with like some booklets, which Kive said she wants me to read everything. Bought a new memory card as well. This one has like 4K capabilities, but I don't think this camera shoots in 4K. So I don't know how that works. Like, do it have to be a 4K camera for the video to be 4K? I don't know, but I think this is the best one to get. You guys can see. I think this is like the best SD card to get because it had like I know if it say like the 10 is like really good and stuff like that. Y'all, I'm geek. Okay. We're about to cut this bitch on, okay? So this is on both sides. Let me put the viewfinder down because I'm gonna keep looking at myself. So I'm gonna finish playing around with the camera for a second, and I'll probably come back on tomorrow when I actually go out in daylight and vlog and stuff. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up, y'all? So I changed my hair color. I changed it to red. I was so freaking nervous about doing this hair color because I always thought like red was not my color, but everyone seems to like it. I think I just have to adjust and get used to it for the most part. But this hair is from 𝕊𝕌𝔹𝕊𝕂𝔼 hair. I did record how I got this color, and I am gonna be doing a review. I don't know if it's gonna be up before or after this video, but yeah. So I actually do like it though. I ended up curling it and stuff. It looks really cute. And yeah, me and Key about to try to, well, we gotta go. We gotta go see my little brother because he called me telling me to come over, and he said he missed me, and he just melted my heart. So I have to go see him and do something with him for a little bit, and then we'll probably go get something to eat or something like that. Yeah, that's all you got to say. So I'm still trying to get used to my camera. I need to get a tripod. Like, I thought I had a tripod, but I really don't. But I need to get a tripod, and the up screen, like, I don't be trying to have it up for real because like all I do is just look at myself when I have it up. But maybe I should just try to get used to it. What up, y'all? So we on our way to the movies. We're about to go see Dark Phoenix finally. We've been trying to see this movie since it came out, but we're finally gonna go see it. Today is Sunday. It's Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there in the world doing their thing. You know what I'm saying? It's me and Key. It's always me and Key. Relate. I thought we was actually going to be on time for the movies this time, but we're actually late. Like, we can never make it to the movies on time. Like, I don't know why, but we're trying to hurry up and get there. This hair is so freaking cute. I'm so glad I took the risk and like tried it. And you know how some hair colors don't even be cute when you only have on makeup? It's actually still cute when I don't have a makeup. Like, what? I mean, what? On the side of the sea. Oh, I see it. What is it? It's a bug. Get it. No key. Yeah, no key. Oh, what is it? It's like right there, bro. It's alive. Y'all, look at this fucking bug. Y'all see it? It's like right there. It's like crawling down. What? I won't be able to get it. And you got a French fry. If you know, you know, bruh. Had to go cop me some. You did. Always. Them icy, them Phazos. You did. The Phazos. Ooh wee. Fresh out the box. Yeah, these definitely my summer shoes for sure. I'm getting mine next week. We go with them to the Clicko. Yeah. Get me some. I'm dressed and ready for today. So I'm at Kia's right now. She just went inside. She about to go change her clothes. and come back out. So we're about to go out. I don't know where we're about to go. We never know where we're gonna go. We just always say we want to go somewhere. I want to really take a picture because my outfit is like really cute. I have on like this little bodycon dress, and then I have on my Air Forces that I just got. I was pressed, y'all. I was pressed. So I want to get a really cute picture, and I also want to get like a tripod. Yeah, I'm still trying to, you know, adjust to the camera. I hope this one looks better. That one I said it was making me look white. Okay, and I really want to get a tripod for the camera, so I think we're gonna go to like Five Below or something because my arms are just getting tired of holding this camera up. Found what I needed. Found what I needed. And this one has a light too. I got that one before, but that one was trash. If y'all ever looking at this one, do not get it. It's trash. The AirPod cover might be over here. Oh, here go paw skins. Oh, they only got black. I want a color one. I might order mine from Shein. I mean, it looks sweet though. You're not gonna get them? You're not gonna get them, Key?
You buy it for me, baby?
Ooh, I got this on camera. What did you say?
Are you gonna buy it for me?
Am I going to buy them for her? Y'all, so we found I found a tripod, and it's pretty good. Like, it's just what I needed. Something nice and small and cute to carry around. And it came with like a little light, and then you could like dim the light and make it brighter too. Like, okay, Five Below, step up their game. So right now we're about to go to the park and chill, take a look at pics and stuff. I'm so tired. I had some wine earlier, and I think it just made me very, very tired. I don't want to do
So it's time to play a game of Would You Rather. Would you rather eat toenails?
Whose toenails? Mine or somebody else?
Any toenails, period. Just general toenails. Would you rather eat toenails or lick dogs?
Like dogs? Like, what do you mean lick dogs?
Like lick them like they coats.
But I'd rather eat toenails. I would rather eat toenails if it's my toenails than lick a fucking dog. I hate hair in my mouth. Okay. Would you rather be homeless for a week or
what?
You trying to think of that? I'm trying to think of that.
Five hours later.
man. Would you rather be homeless for a week or I don't know. Would you rather be homeless for a week or would you rather be...
Because what's worse than being homeless for a week?
No. Here it is. Would you rather be homeless in the winter or would you rather be homeless in the summer?
Would you?
Summer.
I don't think I would rather. I think I'd rather be homeless in the winter
I'd
because
rather
in
be
the
homeless
winter
not at
they
all.
they come, yeah, pretty
I'd
much.
rather be homeless not at all.
Pretty much.
So what's this screen? Because it's making me look funny eyed.
You can't look at this when you gotta look at this.
Why you didn't tell me that?
I told you that. But I've been looking at myself the whole time. So that's why I feel like I need to put it down.
So, story time. I stopped beating these cheeks a few years ago, about 4 years ago, almost 5. Okay, I don't remember.
No.
Once I met my love, I proposed to her. Ain't that right?
No.
And we about to get married. Ain't that right, boo?
No.
I think it's cool, man. You need to meet.
No.
It ain't nowhere near the hole.
Where the fuck is my ring? Come on. Young, I didn't get my nails.
Yo, I have nails.
Let me worry about my snitch, alright?
I know
It's a lot of
something
cop
wrong.
work for nothing.
Take your ass home.